Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Greek Street Bridge Replacement Project Stockport. If this is the first video you've seen that I've done on the project, I've been covering it since March, so I'll leave a link to the actual playlist in the description of this video. As you can see here, there's some big progress been made since my last video, which I only filmed 2 days ago. Back then in that video, there was only 3 of the beams installed. Now, I'm not an expert in this, but it looks like they're all installed now. So in this video, I'm going to do a little bit from the drone. I've also had a bit of a wander on foot, having a look at the site compound, etc. So that'll be coming up shortly. So just looking down the line towards the railway station, which will keep some people happy. Not train station. See all the stuff that they've got on the line just outside of the car wash at the moment. And looking down, you can see where they've lowered down the OLE, the overhead line equipment, all the work's taking place. So in summary, some really decent progress since the last video that I filmed. All the beams are in, so I'm guessing the next bit is to fill in the gaps between the beams. As far as I know, the railway is supposed to open to train traffic a week on Monday. It looks like everything is going to be on track, pardon the pun. So if you can, to like, subscribe and share, I'd really appreciate it. Check out the playlist so you can see the videos from the beginning of the project, and I'll catch you again in the next one, which will be coming up soon. Thanks everyone.